Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, in this video, I'll be sharing about a very important salawat. It is about the salawat which has the word Ummi in it. There are many actually salawats which have word Ummi in it, like a very famous one as per hadith, where Prophet ﷺ says that you have to recite it on Friday after Asr prayer 80 times. And when you recite it, it removes your sins equivalent to 80 years of sin. So how I learnt about it, there is a very learned Mufti Sahib in India. His name is Mufti Abdul Rahim. He was blessed to see Prophet ﷺ in his dream more than 250 times. And Prophet ﷺ himself told him about reciting Durood with the word Ummi in it 500 times daily after Azan of Isha, or you can say after Isha prayer. And after talking to him, I started reciting it myself and I started sharing it with many other people. And today in this video, actually, I will be sharing the experience of a sister. She's from Pakistan and she started reciting Durood Ummi just a few days ago. So she shared her experience that one night while she was reciting the 5th hundred of Ummi Durood, she closed her eyes and she saw a vision. She saw that many girls and women were following her, and she herself was walking on an unknown path. All of a sudden, she reaches to a beautiful place where there is lush greenery. There was a pond with beautiful birds sitting on its banks and many beautiful butterflies gathered around. She also saw that there were many beautiful trees loaded with fruits. She was holding a beautiful basket. I know the word beautiful is being repeated a lot of times, but this is how she described it. And when she looked at the girls and women who were following her, she found that each of them was also carrying a basket. And they all were busy in collecting red roses in their baskets. And after a while, every one of them came to her and handed over their collected roses, which she gathered in her own basket. She says that the scene was mesmerizing, and then after a while, it disappeared and she opened her eyes and completed her 5th hundred of Salawat Ummi. As I said, that you can also Google Salawat with word Ummi in it, and I have like a couple of those as well with me. You can email me or send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll share those with you. You can choose any of the Ummi Salawat as per your convenience or choice and start reciting it. The point is to stay regular in it, recite it daily after Azan of Isha. Now there are different ways to recite it in the sense as per the timings that you can recite it after offering Isha prayer or after a gap as well. If you think that you will take some time in praying Isha, then you can recite it before the prayer as well. For all those women who will be on their periods and will not be offering the prayers, after the azan, they can recite it. In the next video, I'll be sharing more experiences of the people who have started reciting or who been reciting Ummi Salawat for a long time. I'll end this video with a prayer that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enable all of us to recite maximum of Salawat, enable us to write it as well and invite maximum number of people to recite Salawat as well. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us all with His love and love of His Prophet, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Assalatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.